Guys, we're at it again. This time I got a package in the mail and I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Burger King was having a promotion where you ordered like 4 or 5 times. You get like a bunch of points, and plus you get this fanny pack. And I believe this is what this is. So we're gonna open this up and yeah, check it out. Let's do it. That's exactly what it is. Wow. Check it out. New Burger King Fanny Pack. Let's open it up and see what else we got here. Oh wow. Strap's pretty nice. Look at that bad boy. That's pretty cool. That's pretty nifty. And a lot of room in there too. Look at that. Check it out. It smells that brand newness. Look how cool that is. It has the logo of Burger King on it and the classic design on it. I mean, that's not cool. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, thought I'd share that with you guys. That's pretty awesome. If you did like this, you love Burger King, and as much as I do, they're the cheapest fast food joint around for a big family, of course. So it's definitely cool. I like when they do promotional things like this. It was pretty easy buy because we're always ordering cheap from Burger King. So yeah, hopefully they have something like this again. That'd be pretty cool to experience. It got here pretty quick before Christmas. Merry Christmas to me. But if you like Burger King and stuff like that, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more awesomeness, adventures, and cool merch and food reviews. Until next time, and there will be a next time. Have a wonderful day.